Earlier today in Denver, the 10th U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals issued a ruling that upheld a lower court decision striking down Utah's gay marriage ban. It's another in a line of pro-same-sex marriage rulings since the Supreme Court's ruling just about a year ago that struck down part of a federal anti-gay marriage law. And it was a very strong ruling in which the court the appeals court today said that the right to marriage is a fundamental right and that the state can't deny people the right to marry just because they want to marry someone of the same sex. It's the first appeals court ruling since the Supreme Court ruling a year ago. Previously, the Ninth Circuit Court of Appeals had struck down California's Proposition 8 ban on same-sex marriage, but that was on much narrower grounds and in a way that really applied only to California. This is a more sweeping ruling that, if it stands, would probably doom other gay marriage bans in other states that are part of the 10th Circuit. Ultimately, though, it might be the Supreme Court that sets the rule nationally. This would be the first case that, in principle, could be appealed to the Supreme Court. Whether the Supreme Court acts on that case, whether it's even appealed, is still an open question. Whether the Supreme Court acts on that case or decides to wait for another is anybody's guess at this point.